Jerry and Larry want to ride the roller coaster, but they have a little big problem. What does this have to do with compound inequalities? Let me tell you. Let's look at the problem first. You are only allowed to ride the roller coaster if you are at least 4 feet 7 inches in height or shorter than 6'3". Jerry is shorter than 4'7", while Larry is taller than 6'3". Let's have a look at the number line to see how this problem can be represented graphically. It's not that you have to be an exact height to ride the roller coaster, but you do have to be taller than a certain height as well as shorter than a certain height. So you can say the height is greater than or equal to 4'7", which is represented by a filled circle. Also, the height has to be less than 6'3", which is represented by an empty circle. We'll use x to represent height. You can write this as a compound inequality with and. X is greater than 4 feet 7 inches, and x is also less than 6'3". If you don't look at the people who are allowed to ride the roller coaster, but instead at the people who aren't allowed, like Jerry and Larry, you have a compound inequality with or. Either x is less than 4'7", or x is greater than or equal to 6'3". This is represented graphically by these parts. Be careful. If you flip the wording in the problem, you also have to switch the circles. This means an empty circle at 4'7" and a filled circle.
To keep on learning, just follow the link in the video description. You'll get the full video and lots of fun interactive practice problems to test your knowledge.